A quick room tour of the RIU Cabo San Lucas RIU Palace. And you walk in, they do have a safe for you. You can put your own code in there. Bathroom, they have a nice shower, rainfall shower. And they knew it was my birthday today, so they made me a cake out of towels. This one happens to have a single king bed in it. Television, and outside ocean view room. It also comes with a hair dryer as well as a dual voltage outlet. So if you need 110 from North America, it is in there, as well as the 220 outlet. If you'd like to take in a libation or two, there is a liquor dispenser that is included, as well as a mini fridge with alcoholic beverages, water, and sodas, as well as a coffee maker with coffee. Also comes with an iron and ironing board, and in the evening they delivered a little cake here.